Good afternoon from Jilly Bee's Apiary. Brad and I have been harvesting honey today. We've been extracting the honey from our harvest last week, and we've given back to the bees so that they can take off any remnants of sticky honey and take it back to their colony. And that way, once it's no longer sticky, we can harvest all the wax. So we've got plenty of wax for candles and cooking and other items. All the bees are participating. If you can see the hives, each of them are out. They're all sort of bearding. They're all participating in the little feast. It's our way to give back to the bees. They will harvest they will take all this honey back to their individual colonies and store it for them to eat through winter as they continue to collect pollen and make more honey. This one's really bearding. Very cool. We'll be at Conway Marketplace on Sunday, 10 to 2. Come out and see us. Pick up some fresh fall honey. Enjoy your day.